Do you want a laptop that helps you turn a good photograph into a masterpiece? The best laptops for photo editing in this video have been handpicked after several hours of testing to help you improve your photography, no matter if you're a seasoned professional with the latest DSLR camera or a budding amateur. But before we delve into our findings, let's welcome all our new viewers and also announce that we have just passed the 1,000 subscribers milestone and we're celebrating that with a huge giveaway. 5 subscribers will win iPhone 12 Pro once we reach our next milestone of 5,000 subscribers. To win, you simply need to do 3 things. Click that subscribe button, smash the like button and comment meaningfully. That's it. It's that simple. Let's go hit that next 5,000 subs milestone. For more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into it. Making the list at number 5 is Huawei MateBook X Pro 2021 edition, brilliant 3K photo editing laptop. When it comes to photo editing, a laptop display is one of the most important things to consider. The Huawei MateBook X Pro did justice to that. It comes with a 3K 3:2 aspect ratio display and packs a killer punch with an 11th gen Intel i7 processor, 16GB RAM, and 1TB SSD with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. The new MateBook is a slight refresh of the 2020 version. It comes in 2 color variants, gray and emerald green. The curvy lid is all aluminium and home to a glossy silver Huawei logo. The interior of the laptop closely resembles a MacBook Air. There's the sleek keyboard surrounded by 2 long speaker vents, a large touchpad below, and the fingerprint reader power button just above. There are practically no bezels on this stunning display. The webcam is awkwardly positioned on the keyboard. You have to press its corresponding button to get it to pop up, and that's not so cool. According to our colorimeter, the MateBook X Pro covered 74.7% of the DCI P3 color gamut, which is short of the premium laptop average of 85.1%. At 464 nits of brightness, the MateBook X Pro outshines the category average of 393 nits as well as the MacBook Pro's 435 nits. This level of brightness and color gamut ensures accurate color grading and correction during photo editing. At only 2.9 pounds or 1.3 kilograms and measuring 12 by 8.5 by 0.6 inches, the Huawei MateBook X Pro is remarkably slim and lightweight. The ports are few. It features 2 USB Type-C ports on the left side as well as a headphone jack, while the right side holds room for just 1 USB Type-A port. The pros are bright 3K display, solid keyboard and touchpad, long battery life. And the cons are wonky webcam placement, few ports. Overall, the Huawei MateBook X Pro 2021 offers a bright display and long battery life, but its awkward webcam placement makes it not the preferred choice for a photographer who does some video conferencing. At number 4 is HP Spectre X360 15, best 2-in-1 photo editing laptop. The HP Spectre is a nice premium laptop with an extraordinary display. Its 15.6-inch, 4K OLED display is exceptionally vivid, covering 256% of the sRGB color gamut and blindingly bright with 483 nits. The Spectre X360 15 undoubtedly has the best chassis on this list. The elegant gem-cut design of the chassis is lovely. Underneath those beautiful chassis are serious performance hardware, Intel Core i7, 16GB memory, 512GB SSD storage and NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics card, capable of running the most demanding photo editing programs. The Spectre weighs in at 4.5 pounds or 2 kilograms and measures 14.2 by 9.8 by 0.8 inches. It comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a micro SD card reader, and an HDMI port. Also available is a programmable HP Active Pen with 2048 pressure sensitivity levels. The pros are luxurious design, good performance and graphics, vivid 4K OLED display. And the cons are bezels are a bit thick. Overall, HP Spectre X360 15 is a light portable 2-in-1 laptop that will be extremely convenient for the mobile photographer. Number 3 is Gigabyte Aero 17, 2021 edition, a powerful laptop for photo editing. The Gigabyte Aero 17 is one of the most powerful laptops for photo editing you'll find at the moment, combining the 11th generation Intel Core i9 processor with 8 cores, along with the NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card, one of the most powerful GPUs you'll find in a laptop at the moment. What really makes it stand out for photo editing, however, is the fact that it offers a stunning 4K HDR screen, with 100% Adobe RGB coverage, and which is Pantone certified as well. This ensures that any photo you edit on this laptop is going to look its very best, and keeps the colors as accurate as possible. It also packs loads of ports, so you should be able to plug in your memory cards and any peripherals without having to worry about using adapters. It may be overkill for many people, but if you want cutting-edge performance, this is the laptop to get. The pros are gorgeous display, plenty of ports, and the cons, it's a bit pricey. Overall, the Gigabyte Aero 17 2021 is an incredibly accomplished and powerful creative laptop that comes with cutting-edge NVIDIA RTX 3000 series GPUs, powerful Intel processors, and one of the best screens on the market today. It's expensive, but if you have the budget, this is a great laptop for creatives. And our runner-up is Dell XPS 15, 2020 edition, the best Windows 10 photo editing laptop. Dell has proved once again that it is the top dog when it comes to making slim, stylish, and utterly desirable laptops with the XPS 15. And it's the best non-Apple laptop for photo editing. If you don't want a Mac, and can't get to grips with Mac OS, then this is the laptop for you. Running the familiar Windows 10, you have access to all the best photo editing applications around. What's more, Dell has packed the XPS 15 with some of the most powerful mobile components you'll find in any laptop right now: 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti, 32GB RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD storage. With this type of beefy internals, opening, editing and saving photos is incredibly quick and smooth. More so, all this power is packed into a stylish body that's thin and light, making it ideal for photographers who are often working out and about. Its 4K touchscreen is bright and vibrant, and at 15.6 inches, it's large enough to comfortably edit photos on throughout the day. The pros are beautiful 4K touchscreen display, amazing speakers, comfy keyboard. And the cons are GPU is a little weak if one also wants it to double as a gaming laptop. Overall, the 2020 Dell XPS 15 is a near-ideal 15.6-inch laptop. Its sleek design, fast performance, and robust feature set make it our top pick for photo editing among premium Windows options. And our number 1 position goes to MacBook Pro 13 M1, the best all-round laptop for photo editing. The M1 MacBook Pro 13 is our current pick for the best all-around laptop for photo editing. At the end of last year, Apple gave its iconic MacBook a major refresh, packing it with a new Apple-designed M1 chip, rather than the Intel-powered hardware of previous models. This gave the smaller MacBook Pro a real power boost, with the M1 chip performing brilliantly, especially when it came to running photo editing apps like Photoshop. Best of all, the MacBook Pro 13-inch now has the longest battery life ever seen in a MacBook. This thing is seriously impressive when it comes to battery, and means you can work on it all day editing photos, and you won't need to plug it in. Thanks to the neatly integrated power-efficient CPU, GPU and RAM. As is usual with MacBooks, it also has a gorgeous Retina screen that will make your photographs look fantastic while offering a sleek and stylish design that Apple is renowned for. The Touch Bar, a slim touch display that runs along the top of the keyboard, is a great feature for photographers, as it displays context-sensitive buttons and shortcuts that change depending on the app you're using, and it works with key photo editing software like Photoshop, Lightroom, Affinity and others. It can make a big difference to your workflow. The pros are great performance, excellent battery life, amazing display, and the cons are no new design. Overall, the MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 is the first of Apple's professional laptops to come with the new M1 chip, rather than Intel hardware. It is a photographer's delight and a very impressive laptop. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and deals on all the products mentioned in this video. Remember to join our next 5,000 subs giveaway by hitting that subscribe button and liking the video if you haven't done so already. 5 active subscribers will win iPhone 12 Pro once we hit 5,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.